Hello, in this video we are going to see how to shape hair for doing necklace or whatever you need to do with hair, like this cabochon. Let's see the process. And we are going to use resin, pigments, molds, and of course hair. It can be animal hair or human hair. I am going to prepare two colors, white and pink. And I will pour at the same time in the mold. Now I'm trying to fade the color a little bit. When my little daughter was a baby, she had wavy or curly hair, and now sadly she has it straight, and that's why I want to keep a little piece of her hair. That's a beautiful thing to remember. And now I will cut a little piece of the hair. I will prepare the resin and I will pour a little bit in the acetate sheet. You have to put very little resin for this technique to be successful. Try to shape in the way that you want and cut the excess. If you are working with very unruly hair, the trick is to wait till the resin is so tacky and then shape. With this technique, you will absolutely get rid of the bubbles if you encapsulate properly the hair. Remember, the trick is not to add so much resin and shape when the resin is so tacky. You can do letters, you can do circle, you can do a square, you can do whatever you want if you take only a little piece of hair and do what I already said. Now that we have our first layer, we are ready to encapsulate the hair. When you use the exact amount of resin, you don't have to remove the excess like in this case. But if you put a little bit more of what is required, you need to clean very well the surface because we don't want messy hairs all over the place. You can also use a toothbrush to comb it while shaping it. Remember to clean inside. Now we are going to encapsulate the hair. I'm a little bit sad today because lately I don't have views in English, and I don't know if I don't know doing videos in English take me a life because I am not a native speaker. So it take me a lot to record videos in English, but I have no views, and I am really I am um, thinking in quitting to doing some videos in English. So if you found this helpful, please leave a comment, and I will know that someone is interested in what I do. And of course, if this is helpful, please let me know. I will really appreciate it. Now I am adding gold leaf and the circle. And I will let this cure. I am just checking this piece if there's no bubbles. I will use this pigment, Bronzonker, from Smooth On, and I love this pigment. I will put this on my capuchon hair or hair capuchon. I don't know how to say it. This will cover the little messy hair, and also we will have a transparency effect, and I will seal the pigment with resin. Remember that if you put so much resin, you won't be able to cut the strips this easily. Now I am just improving a sanding machine to make my life a little bit easier. It's important only to sand the resin and stop before you get to the hair. And also it's so important that don't sand the lateral, only the drip, only the thing that we don't need. That's only the part that we have to sand. Don't forget to clean the surface really well. And it's time for dooming the pieces, and I will add this little charm just because it looks good. And that's it for today's video. I really hope if you find something interesting or new, leave a comment or a like or share. Thank you, thank you, thank you. And if I keep doing videos, see you the next time. Bye bye.